Hello everyone. Happy Independence Day. On this Independence Day, I have a short Hindi poetry to share with you all. देखो ये झंडा प्यारा, तीनों रंगों का मेल सारा, रहे सदा ये झंडा ऊंचा, आकाश को रहे ये छूता, सदा करो तुम इसका मान, कभी ना करना इसका अपमान। झंडा ही है देश की शान, बना रहे ये सदा महान। स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं।
It is with utmost respect and devotion that I wish all of you a very happy Independence Day 2021. It is by the sacrifice of several and numerous freedom fighters that today we are able to celebrate our 75th Independence Day, and I wish best of luck for your future, and I wish that your efforts do good to the nation and you very proudly say that we are Indians. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Hello everyone, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. This is the day to pay tribute to all the sacrifices done by our brave soldiers to maintain this freedom even after we get independence. So I pay tribute to all of them. Let dream India, a safer India, a India safe from women, a India free from crimes, a India safe for pride, a India that our founding fathers dreamed of. By freedom, we got the power, but the power will come along with responsibility. So, being as a citizen of India, we have to be responsible toward the nation. We have to be bound by the law. We have to use law to create awareness among the public. In this era of digitalization, we can do that by using the massive support, the mass public support through digital media. So let's dream India, India, clean India, a India where sanitation facilities is available for everyone, light, basic right to education is available to every child. An India where law should be made by taking care of the fundamental rights of the people. A India where we should perform what is written in our fundamental duties. So, with this, I wish a dream India, a India which our founding father dreamed of. Thank you. Happy Independence Day once again.
जय हिंद दोस्तों, दिस इज आर्यन द्विवेदी, वन ऑफ द एडमिन ऑफ लाइटिंग ड्रीम. As we are going to celebrate the 75th Independence Day, let's pay tribute to our freedom fighters who sacrificed their life and we got freedom from the 180-year-old British rule. Let's salute the soldiers who are present on the border, who are keeping us safe day and night. Let's salute and pay tribute to every government officer and the judiciary who are working for the betterment of society. I want to end with just a quotation. ये अर्पण की भूमि है, ये तर्पण की भूमि है, ये अर्पण की भूमि है, ये तर्पण की भूमि है, इसकी नदी नदी हमारे लिए गंगा है. हम जिएंगे तो इस भारत के लिए और मरेंगे तो इस भारत के लिए, और मरने के बाद भी अगर कोई गंगा में हमारी अस्थियों को कान लगाकर सुनेगा तो एक ही आवाज आएगी, भारत माता की जय. थैंक यू.
Hello everyone, my name is Mansi Verma from Team Lighting Dreams and I want to wish everyone a very happy Independence Day. And to express my emotions, I want to sing a song. So here it goes. जहाँ डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया करती हो बसेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा. जहाँ सत्य अहिंसा और धर्म का पग पग लगता डेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा. Thank you so much everyone, and again wishing you all a very happy Independence Day.
Hello, and a very happy Independence Day from Team Lighting Dreams. This Independence Day, we want you to think and contemplate about what you can do to improve your country and what you can do to achieve the potential that this country has in store. So, again, a very happy Independence Day to you. Wish you all the best.
Hi guys, this is Sakshi Khatri from Team Lightning Dreams wishing you very happy Independence Day. This is an auspicious day to resemble the sacrifices our forefathers done as freedom fighters to give us this free nation with tremendous opportunities. And since then, India has been flourishing at international level in different fields like science, technology and sports, etc. And we as a youth having bulk responsibility to carry forward the legacy and the pride of the nation. Hope that you and we all together come out of flying colors one day and represent our best in the respective fields we have chosen. This is the historic day to remember the valor of leaders like Bhagat Singh and Subhash Chandra Bose. On the other hand, it reminds us of the intellect and diplomacy of leaders like Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi, B.R. Ambedkar. This is the day to reminisce that despite several diversities, we are still united. The soul of India is still united, and this is the feature of uniqueness we are having as a nation. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Hello friends, I am Ashish Jha from GNLU and one of the admins of Lightning Dreams. Friends, I wish you a happy Independence Day. Just visit, celebrate it and enjoy it. Take care. Jai Hind.
Hi, I'm Amulya Acharya from Lightning Dreams wishing you a very happy Independence Day.
From struggle to freedom to progress, India moves forward, celebrating with you the pride of being part of the nation that is eternal and ever. Wishing you all a very happy Independence Day.
Jain friends, I would like to wish you all a very happy 75th Independence Day from bottom of my heart. According to me, Bharat is a place where we celebrate the diversity, where we believe in the equality, and where we have full freedom and liberty to explore ourselves to fullest of our capacity. I would like to put this in the words of Shri Rabindranath Tagore ji, where he said, where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. Yes, that is my India. Thank you once again. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Hi people, I am Mohit Kumar from Haryana. First of all, I want to congratulate all of you on the occasion of 75th Independence Day. In these 75 years, we came a long way and achieved a lot, but we have to achieve a lot more. There will be many hurdles in our path, but we have to cross them. We should strive to make a society where knowledge is the most valued, which is based on science, but also preserve the legacy of our culture and our history. A society where not only men, but there is harmony between environment, including animals, and the society. A society where will be dignity for everyone, and this will be an exemplary society or nation for all others to be like that. We should ensure the realization of the maximum potential of human civilization. The one major challenge which I see the country will or can face in the upcoming time is of extremism, be it of religious extremism or of ideological extremism, such as on the matters of economy. But we have to avoid being extremist, or the society should not be extremist. There should be place for dissent and all, because we should always remember that a nation is always much more than a religion, and a religion is always much more than a nation. We should not restrict these two things with one another. And in last, I want to thank you all for this.
It was on this date, 15th August 1947, that India got its independence, and since then it has been climbing the mountain of success very quickly and at a rapid pace. I am proud to be born in this country and wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.